Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got at CVS for the week. I'm going to show you how I scored all of these items for less than $5, which I was super pleased about. And I'll walk you through that step by step. That way you know exactly how I scored these deals. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss a deal. Before I jump into the deals, I want to tell you just a couple quick announcements. One, there are so many items 90% off at CVS. I'm going to show you a few that I bought, and then I'm going to include pictures at the end of the video of all of the items I saw on clearance when I was in the store. Remember last week I told you I was going to tell you about a new app that I was using? Okay, so the app isn't new, but it's new to me, and I'm excited to share with you another money-saving app called Fluz. What's even better is that Fluz is sponsoring a giveaway for my followers, so you could win a $50 gift card, and I'm going to tell you all of those details in this video. So what's awesome about Fluz? Okay, y'all, you get cash back when you purchase gift cards, and you can earn up to 35% cash back. And they have tons of different retailers, so stores like CVS, Dunkin' Donuts, Chevron, Domino's Pizza, DoorDash, so many options. And literally all you do is you buy a gift card through the app, and then you pay with that gift card at the retailer and you get cash back into your Fluz account. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did that to save on my CVS trip today. So I know you wanna know how to get entered into the $50 gift card giveaway. That giveaway will be starting today and running for 1 week. I will announce the winner in next week's CVS video. All the official details can be found in the video description box, but here's the gist. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Drop a comment down below telling me something you're excited about this week. But to be entered in the giveaway, you have to sign up for the Fluz app using my link that I'll drop below or my referral code Saving with Christina. I will randomly select a winner from the qualified entrants and let you know on my CVS video next week. Let me give you just a quick Fluz tutorial. You're gonna wanna use my link or my referral code Saving with Christina. That will get you the app. It's also gonna get you 3 vouchers for 35% back at certain retailers, and CVS is one of those stores. So what I did is I went into my app, I clicked on pay, I then found the retailer that I wanted, which was CVS. I clicked on CVS. I entered the amount of the gift card that I wanted to buy, and you can choose whatever dollar amount you want. That is the value of the CVS card you are purchasing. I chose just $10, so I purchased it with $10. You need to have a payment method attached to your Fluz account. So I got that CVS gift card. When I went shopping and checked out at CVS, I showed the cashier my CVS gift card barcode that I got through the Fluz app. They scanned it. It took $10 off my total. Easy peasy. I got $3.75 back into my Fluz account. So super simple and another way to save when you're doing your shopping. Let's talk about the clearance items first. I saw a bunch of adorable stuffed animals that were Valentine's Day stuffed animals priced at 90% off. So they ranged from like 80 some cents to $2, and I'll include all of those pictures at the end of the video. Let me show you the ones that I grabbed. So there was a bunch of this like football game time tableware stuff. So I grabbed these plates for 20 cents. I also grabbed the smaller size plates for 20 cents. The napkins are just 10 cents a pack. And then the tablecloth, super cute, just 30 cents a pack. So if your store carries these items, check and see if you can score them on clearance as well. Now, not all the stores near me carry the like bargain buys items. You'll know what I'm talking about if your store carries them. It's in packaging that says bargain buys at the bottom, and they're all like $1, $2, $3. But those items were also 90% off. So I grabbed these cords for just 20 cents a pack. So I thought these would come in handy at 20 cents a pack. Why not? And then I saw this rope, also 20 cents. There were trash bags, 20 cents a box. No idea if these trash bags are any good, but for 20 cents a box, I did buy a box. Oh, I forgot the cups. These were also 20 cents for the cups, the football cups. And then there were like the hand sanitizer, cleaning wipes. Those were also being marked down up to 90% off at my store. So I grabbed a couple of them. This Oso antibacterial alcohol wipes, these were priced at just 59 cents. They were regularly $5.99. And then these wipes here, they were 39 cents. So check your stores, see if those items are marked down for you. One more bargain buy item. These containers, 40 cents a piece. And then they had these like little berry bowls, the bowl with the strainer inside. Those were 50 cents. Like I said, tons of pictures at the end of the video, but great deals over at CVS if you like clearance shopping. Okay, so let's talk about the food deals first. I grabbed these Nature Valley bars. These are priced at $1.99 on sale, which is already a great sale price, cheaper than my grocery store, but I had coupons to pair with that. So I bought 3 boxes total for $1.99 each. I had a CVS CRT, which is just a CVS coupon on my digital app for $2 off a $5 Nature Valley purchase. So that came off. And then I had 2 different 50-cent coupons. Those came off, leaving me to pay $2.97. Then I submitted to my Fetch Rewards app and I had an offer for 50 cents back on the Nature Valley bars, making all 3 packs just $2.47 or 82 cents a pack. And my mom loves the regular oat Nature Valley bars. So Mom, I got you some bars at CVS this week. Now, when I was standing in that bar section, I saw these Lara bars, still no idea how you pronounce them. These are expensive. These are right around $5 a box, typically at my grocery store, and my son loves these bars. I do too, especially if you let him get like a little bit warm in the car. Super good. Okay, so I put together a little deal because this was a grocery deal that I wanted to buy anyway, and it was a great way to use my extra care box to reduce my grocery bill overall. So I grabbed 2 of these bars at $4.99 a pack. I had a $3 off a $10 breakfast CVS coupon. Okay, that came off, as well as a $1 digital for the Lara bars. So I paid a total of $5.98 or just $2.99 per pack. Again, that's like 50% off the regular price, and it was something I was going to buy anyway, so I wanted to share that with you all. I did not get the 3 off 10 coffee CRT this week. They're holding out on me. But if you have that, I believe the Maxwell coffee as well as the Gavalia coffee is on sale again this week. And you could use that 3 off 10 coffee CRT as well as submit your receipt to Ibotta for those brands. So great deal, but CVS was holding out on me on that coffee CRT. But they did not hold out on me on the Listerine deal. I noticed I had 2 buy one, get one free coupons for these Listerine tabs. And I was like, okay, if I buy 2, will both of those coupons come off? They were CVS coupons, not manufacturer coupons. Will both of them come off, giving both of them to me for free? And that, in fact, did happen. I bought 2. Both the BOGO coupons applied, leaving me to pay $0 for 2 packs of these Listerine Ready tabs. Oh, I forgot this little food guy. So there were some items marked down in the food section, and these Snickers Almond Brownie bars were just 37 cents. So if you love these, you might want to check out your CVS because they've been marked down. Okay, so another freebie using Ibotta. This Nivea body wash. Okay, it's priced at $5.99. I noticed when I woke up on Sunday, I had 2 different CVS digital coupons. One, $3 off a Nivea body wash. The other was $2 off a Nivea body wash. I did not have any insert coupons for this, but I know some people do. So if you get the newspaper, check. I want to say it was the last week or the week before there were Nivea coupons in there. I did not have those. I just had the 3 and the 2. So I paid 99 cents. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, making this item completely free. Now, if you're not using Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. And of course, it's completely free to join Ibotta. Another simple deal is on this Pantene Miracle Moisture Boost. These are the little ones, and I found this up by the register, actually. It's priced at $3.19. There was a $3 Pantene coupon that attached to this, making it just 19 cents. I also did the Garnier micellar wipes. These are $7.79 a piece, but I had multiple coupons, and so I made a deal that worked out. The Garnier CRTs, the CVS coupons, I had 2 of them for $3 off. I then had a $2 manufacturer digital, as well as a $2 manufacturer coupon from the March 6th save insert. So I paid $5.58 for both packs of these, but then I got a $5 extra care buck back for purchasing them, making it 58 cents for both packs, or just 29 cents a pack. An even better deal for Garnier is on these little treats. These are the small ones. They are 2 for $7. 2 for $7. I'm not going to pay that. There was a $5 digital coupon, meaning you'll pay $2 at the register, but they're part of a deal: buy 2, get $3 in extra care bucks back. So I paid 2, I got 3 back, meaning they were free and a $1 moneymaker. The last deal that I did was on the Schick razors. So I grabbed the Schick Extremes. I grabbed 3 of them because I had a lot of CVS coupons for these. They are priced at $6.99 each. I had a $5 off a $20 shave purchase CVS coupon, as well as a $5 off 3 Schick Extreme razor coupon. I also had a $3 manufacturer Schick digital, as well as a $4 Schick insert coupon. So that was from the February 20th Smart Source. And I honestly didn't even realize that coupon was expired because my store doesn't take expired coupons. So I've never tried to use one, but I didn't realize it was expired. When I handed it to them, it did beep. They pushed it through. I don't know if that was a courtesy or if they would always push it through. I know some stores take expired coupons. I've just never tried since years ago when they told me they do not. But that left me to pay $3.97 for all 3 of them, getting back a $5 extra care buck, meaning it was all free and a $1.03 moneymaker. Now, because I used that Fluz app, I got $3.75 back when I purchased that $10 gift card, making everything you see here less than $5, which I thought was fantastic. If y'all have questions on any of this, don't hesitate to drop them down below. Of course, you want to check out my Walgreens video that I did this week. And definitely don't forget to get yourself entered into this week's $50 gift card giveaway. Thanks.